Hey homeowners, it's Bianca for another episode of MF Home TV. Today we are going to continue a topic from a previous episode on layout. That time we tackled a living room dining room combo. This time we have a living room and a bedroom together in an open space layout. Obviously, a wall is the best divider, but not everyone has the privilege of a big space. That's why MF Home TV is here to the rescue for homeowners with studio apartments just like you. Our goal today is to create a space with optimal traffic flow, but at the same time, have a sense of privacy for your bedroom. Here are ways to separate the living room and the bedroom in a studio layout. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Here we go, let's start. First, we have a sofa, and its back faces the bed. Make sure you still have a walkway between the two furniture. With this layout, the living room and the bedroom are now in two separate areas in the house. With this, you can still watch the TV from the bed. The separator here is the sofa. For a space-saving tip, you can anchor a chest of drawer at the back of the sofa. Find a chest of drawer that is no way taller than the sofa, so it won't be an eyesore and unbalances the room. We move on to getting furniture for the sole purpose of being a separator for the two areas. Let's first arrange the bedroom here at the side, while the living room is at the other. The living room and the bedroom at this time will be facing the same direction. Now that we have separated the two areas, you can see we left a space here in between them. That is where we will put the separator, is a divider. From the name itself, it is a divider because you can place it in the middle of anything, and in a 360-degree angle, it is functional for either sides. You can place bedroom stuff in one part, while living room decor in the other. Next separator is a console table. This one is for homeowners who work at home or have kids studying in school because the console table here works as a desk. Now you've got a bedroom at the side, a home office in the middle, and the living room beside it. Just make sure you have enough space in between for the traffic flow. Lastly, in between them, you can add a coffee set. This coffee set could also be the place where you will be dining. It might not be much of a separator that can give a lot of privacy, but still, in a way, it separates the two areas. And there you have it. What do you think works best in your space and your daily routine? Let us know. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and tap that bell icon below. See you guys next week. This is Bianca, inspiring your home. This week's prize